are watching News Bites Philippines. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Powering up on fun and productivity among the Filipino youth is made more possible, with the global smartphone brand Vivo announcing the release of its latest smartphone, the Vivo Y31, in the country. The newest addition to the global smartphone brand's Y series has an exciting list of updates to make this latest release a definite step up from its predecessor, from faster processor and longer battery life, to flagship-like camera features, making it an unrivaled choice at an affordable price. Designed for efficiency and versatility, the Y31 runs on the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 octa-core processor, a performance-defining processor which operates on Android 11 for a further enhanced entertainment experience. Also staying true to its aim of matching the taste and dynamism of its users, the Vivo Y31 is equipped with a 48-megapixel main camera to allow for clear shots, all day, from morning until night, with its advanced night mode feature. It also sports two more rear cameras, particularly a 2-megapixel bokeh camera, and another 2-megapixel macro camera. And just the same, the front 8-megapixel camera of the Y31 was also created to deliver finer captures in both photo and video mode. Visit the website to learn more.
Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.